Hello students and welcome. Today we are going to study about the use of since and for. Well, sometimes it's happened that when we are making a sentence, for example, I have written two sentences over here. Number one, it is the sentence of present perfect continuous. In these two sentences, we make the sentence and we have to use since and for with the time. Sometimes it becomes problem for us that what is the correct time and what time we have to use with since and what time we have to use with the for. So I have a solution for you. It's a very tricky thing and you have to catch it very cleverly. Now listen to me carefully. For example, I'm going to tell you that each and every time in the world moves in a circle. For example, morning, afternoon, then evening, then again it comes morning. As same as you have a clock at your home. If you will see that in this clock, the shape of the clock is circle. So it's happened that I'm going to give you a very tricky thing over here. If I say that the use of since and for this trick, I'm going to give you a trick. For example, if I say that 2 hours, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 times you can see 2 hours are in the clock. It means that there is the repetition of time or where the time repeats. Since if I say 3 o'clock, then you can see that in the whole circle there is only one time we can see 3 o'clock. Let's see the more example over here. So it means that there is no repetition of time. We use since. Now let me make it more clear for you. For example, in the complete circle, you can see 3 o'clock, the short time, it comes only once. So we use since. 2 hours, it comes again and again and 6 times. In the morning, 24 hours, there is only one morning. But in 24 hours, we can see that 6 times 4 hours comes. Sunday, in 7 days, you can see that there is only one Sunday. There is no repetition of Sunday, so you have to use since. 2 days, you can see that 6 and we can see that 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. It means that 3 times there is repetition of days. July, you can see that in 12 months there is only one July. But if we see about the 3 months, there is a repetition of 3 months. So it means that we have to use for over here. 1999, 100 years, you can see that only one time there is 1999. And you have to use 30 years, there is repetition of time. Last year for example, what is the last year? Last year was 2019. And with the 2019, there is no repetition of 2019, you have to use since. And couple of years, you can use with the couple of years. You can use like 2018, 19, 20, the couple of years could be repeated. So guys, tell me that for the 2 hours, there is for 2005, there is only once, so you have to use since over here. If you want to ask any question, you can. Thank you very much.